Did you know that over 52 million people consider themselves YouTubers, but only a tiny fraction actually make good money? If you've ever thought, man, I wish I could make a full-time income from YouTube, but then got overwhelmed with all the you need expensive equipment or you need millions of views nonsense, then this video is about to change everything. Because by the end of this video, you'll have a real strategy to make money with YouTube in 2025. Even if you're starting with 0 subscribers, no fancy camera, and absolutely no idea where to begin. All right, let's get real. It's 2025. YouTube has changed and so has the way people make money on it. Gone are the days when you could just throw up a cat video and expect millions of views. Now it's about strategy, creativity, and multiple income streams. Because relying on YouTube ad revenue alone, that's like trying to survive on one slice of pizza when there's a whole buffet available. So let's break down exactly how people are making money on YouTube in 2025, even if you're starting from absolute zero. Everyone thinks YouTube money comes from ads. But let's do some quick math. The average YouTuber makes about $3 to $5 per 1,000 views. That means if your video gets 100,000 views, you might make around $400. Cool, right? Affiliate marketing, promoting products and earning commissions. Sponsorships, companies paying for product mentions. Selling digital products, ebooks, courses, templates. YouTube memberships and Patreon. Fans paying monthly for exclusive content. Merchandise and coaching and consulting. The best part? You don't need millions of views to make serious money with these methods. Now, before you start a channel, let's talk niches, because this is where most people fail. If you pick the wrong niche, you'll either never get views or worse, you'll get views but no one will buy anything from you. So here's the secret. Profitable niches equals people who have a problem, plus people willing to pay for a solution. Some of the most profitable YouTube niches in 2025 are personal finance and investing, tech and software tutorials, health and fitness, business and side hustles, AI and automation tutorials, and gaming and esports. And guess what? You don't even need to show your face to make money with YouTube in 2025. Channels like The Future and Investing Simplified make thousands a month with faceless videos. Hitting 1,000 subscribers used to take forever, but not anymore. Here's how you can hack YouTube's algorithm and grow faster in 2025. Leverage shorts. They are still insanely powerful for reaching new people fast. Ride trending topics. Use Google Trends, Twitter, and Reddit to find trends early. Use AI for better content. Tools like ChatGPT and Runway AI can help you script, edit, and design. Thumbnails faster. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Even a shout-out from a slightly bigger channel can bring hundreds of new subs overnight. And SEO and clickbait. Ethical clickbait. Tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy help find high-ranking keywords, and crafting compelling titles and thumbnails makes people have to click. Once you've got some videos up, it's time to turn those views into cash. If you need to make your first $1,000 quickly, here's the fastest strategy. Create a digital product, cheat sheets, templates, Notion setups, etc., and sell it in your description. Find an affiliate product that solves a problem for your audience and promote it in every video. Reach out to small businesses for sponsorships. Even with a few thousand views, companies will pay for niche exposure. And offer a paid service or coaching if you have expertise in something valuable. Once you hit consistent views and engagement, it's time to scale up. The top YouTubers don't just make videos, they run businesses. To scale, automate editing and thumbnails, hire editors or use AI tools like Runway, batch record videos so you're never scrambling last minute. Build an email list so you're not 100% dependent on YouTube's algorithm. And create a second channel to cross-promote and double your income streams. All right, let's wrap this up. Today we covered how YouTube ad revenue is a myth and what to focus on. Instead, the best niches that actually make money in 2025, the fastest way to get 1,000 subscribers without wasting years, how to make your first $1,000, even with a small channel, and how to scale up and make $10,000 per month long-term. So here's your next move. Pick a niche, post your first video, and start implementing these strategies. The only thing standing between you and making money on YouTube is taking action. And hey, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more real, no BS money-making strategies. Let me know in the comments what niche you're thinking about starting. See you in the next one.